Disaster Management in India. National Disaster Management Authority, abbreviated as NDMA, is an agency of the Ministry of Home Affairs whose primary purpose is to coordinate response to natural or man made disaster and for capacity building in disaster resiliency and crisis response. NDMA was established through the Disaster Management Act enacted by the Government of India on 23rd December 2005. The National Disaster Response Force is a specialized force constituted for the purpose of specialist response to a threatening disaster situation or disaster under the Disaster Management Act 2005. National Institute of Disaster Management is a premier institute for training and capacity development programs for managing natural disasters in India on a national as well as a regional basis. Next, disaster management in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu State Disaster Authority is responsible for all measures for mitigation, preparedness, response, and recovery are undertaken under the guidance and supervision of the authority. Tamil Nadu State Disaster Response Force has been constituted with a strength of 80 police personnel. They have been trained in disaster management and rescue operations in consultation with National Disaster Response Force. District Disaster Management Authority is responsible for disaster management at district level. State Disaster Management Plan. The Prospective Plan 2018 to 2030 prepared by the Revenue and Disaster Management Department. Hotline between Indian Meteorological Department and the State Emergency Operations Center is established and mitigation in the district is done through telephone, fax and IP phones also available which connect the state with district headquarters, taluks and blocks of the state. Wireless radio network with both high frequency and very high frequency are also available in the state. Let us we discuss the general survival techniques during the disaster period. During the earthquake, be under the table, chair, kneel to the floor and protect yourself. Go near a sturdy wall, sit on the floor and hold the floor strongly and protect yourself. Use only torch lights. During flood forecast, store up necessary things like first aid. Listen to the local radio and TV for instructions. Cut off all the electrical supplies during flood and earthquake. In case of fire accidents, dial 101 for fire service. If clothes are on fire, don't run. Stop, drop, and roll. Road accidents can be avoided by permitting the persons only who have license are allowed to drive. Learn, preach, and practice safety rules during walking and driving along the road. Rail safety tips. Stay alert. Trains can come from either directions at any time. Never sit on the edge of the station platform. Cross the tracks safely. While on boarding the aircraft, pay attention to the flight crew crew safety demonstration and read the safety briefing card available in the seat pocket carefully. That's all for today's topic. Let us we see the recap of today's session.